हेलो एवरीवन, तो कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद करता हूँ काफ़ी अच्छे होंगे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग के बारे में। क्या होता है प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग, डिटेल में जानेंगे और जानेंगे इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग एंड हाउ यू कैन बिकम प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियर। So guys, this video is going to be very interesting where I will discuss some interesting facts. So guys, this video is going to be fully dedicated on prompt engineering. So watch till end guys. I hope you will like it. Basically, prompt engineering is the process of enhancing output of a large language model such as chatgpt. Basically, when we give the prompt on chatgpt like models, then they give the output, but the data on this models are very large. So how you can get the exact data? So there is a term called prompt. Prompt is how we get the exact data from the models. Basically guys, prompt engineering is the way by which you get the exact data from the generative models like Midjourney, ChatGPT, Barts, etc. These are done by prompt engineer. Prompt engineers are professionals who are quite good in prompts, who trained their creative mind or their skills in such a way that they easily get the data from the generative models by using some prompts or techniques. So this is also a skill required a lot of time, a lot of practice or a lot of dedication to become a prompt engineer. In further video, I will discuss about how you can become prompt engineer, age of prompt engineering. So guys, now the question arises, from where you can learn prompt engineering. Basically, if you want to learn prompt engineering, then you can visit a website called learnprompting.org. It is also a best website to learn prompt engineering. Also, you can visit many YouTube channels and Udemy courses. I will provide in the description, guys. There are some Udemy courses which provide full detail about prompt engineering. Skills which are required in prompt engineering like NLP fundamentals, deep learning, some framework and libraries of Python are used. Let's talk about importance of prompt engineering. Basically, it optimizes the user experience. Second is it gives the exact data. Third is mitigating the bias. Do you know guys, the global AI market is expected to grow 1.6 billion by 2030. This is showing that how the boom of AI is going to. Guys, let's move ahead in video. Now I'm going to talk about how you can become prompt engineer. Basically, you can pursue diploma or degree to become prompt engineer, where you can learn AI and ML like technologies to explore this domain. Now guys, you can see some important courses of Udemy related to prompt engineering. You can see on the screen. These all are related to prompt engineering. So guys, let's move ahead in video. Now kindly share your experience. How was this video, so that I can make more engaging and more informative video in upcoming time. So guys, मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा। See you soon.